such a fine motherfucker. Yeah.
I told her look back at it.
You know what I'm saying? Session before we go in.
Put a fat rabbit on the mathematic. I am so high.
Okay, so here we go. We're in the store, and I love to come in here when there's no one here. So, hold on, let me turn this around. Okay, so I know y'all can't see me, right? But this is how I gotta put the phone so I can pull out my list. So we're over here at produce, so I know I have to get some fruits. And I put everything in these little categories because I was supposed to be going to 3 different stores, but because I have to rush, I have to get them all here. So, okay, so I see strawberries, apples, bananas, salad mix. So I'm gonna get my produce stuff. And let's weigh them so we can see how much they weigh, so we can estimate how much they will cost, because I'm adding all of this up. These are 2 pounds, so it's 2 pounds for 59 cents. So that should be, we'll put another plus 150. Okay, so while I'm at the deli waiting for my pepperoni, we have so far cost off this many things, and this is how much money we spent so far. So we're at $35 already, and all we've gotten is basically the fruits. And I'm about to get the lunch meat because I did add the pepperoni. So let's see if we stay in budget. Okay, so I'm finally done. I'm about to head over to the register. Like, I can't even hardly push the cart. Like, look at me with that. Okay, so this is my total, $321. I completely went over, but you know, whatever. Mackenzie, say hi, Mackenzie. Hi. Okay, so Mackenzie's helping me with putting the stuff away. It's kind of like all over the place, and some of it is still in bags, but I have something to do, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the items that I got. Okay, so we'll start with the frozen stuff. We got some french fries, some regular french fries, a sweet potato fries, some whiting, some chicken wings. Look at the price of these chicken wings, guys. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, we also got some super sweet white corn and some corn on the cob. The kids love to do corn when we do tacos. I also got some natural fruit sherbet. I thought this would be a good replacement for the kids and myself. Instead of ice cream, I got my Starbucks coffee, of course, my Minute Maid pulp-free orange juice. We love this Turkey Hill pomegranate lemonade. I got some vegetable oil, which I'm going to put down here because I'm going to fry some chicken for Christmas. We also have some iceberg lettuce. We have some peppers because we love to snack on these as a snack with cream cheese. I also have 3 mangoes, an avocado, some ketchup, for the kids' fries and stuff. We have eggs. We also have 10 packs of Kool-Aid. This is only 1 pack of them, but Mackenzie's doing an amazing job of trying to help me out. Thank you, Kenzie. Okay, so we have a big thing of shredded cheese, and we have some taco cheese. And I just really quickly wanted to say I did over budget this time because I'm cooking for Christmas dinner also. So I'm including Christmas dinner, which is kind of a big dinner. Well, it's not big, but it's big for us. Something larger than I would normally cook, and that's what all this cheese is for, because I'm making macaroni and cheese. I got Mackenzie some Velveeta macaroni and cheese cups. And as I'm telling her about this stuff, you can start putting this stuff away if you want to help me out, the stuff that I already showed. Okay, we have some butter, sweet cream butter. We also have some whipped Philadelphia cream cheese because we like to eat the peppers with cream cheese. I also have some Lipton tea, so we can make some iced tea, and that's also what the lemons are for right here. So we can make some iced tea for Christmas. I have this Sleepy Time tea that I love to get. This Sleepy Time tea for Mackenzie. It helps her go to sleep at night. And then I got Tension Tamer for myself. I love it. We got some oranges. I do remember the price of these. These were $3.99, and this is really good. Like, I was so overwhelmed at how much everything costs, because normally I don't just like look at the prices and add the stuff up as I'm going. Like, I was just like completely in awe. Like, by the time I had got the fruit and like the lunch meat and stuff for their sandwiches, because they're going to be home for distance learning also, that's another reason why I went over budget, because I had to budget in like lunch and everything like that. It was like almost $100, and I had just got only the fruits and the vegetables and the lunch meat. So we got some of these Golden Delicious yellow apples. Trans loves these, and he also loves bananas. The bananas kind of got beat up in the process. I also got some lemon juice to go with the tea, to go with the sweet tea. We have strawberries, and over here I got the kids some Oreo ice cream because they're always begging for snacks. They're always begging for ice cream. And when I get the big half a gallon, they will literally eat it in one day. So I thought by having the single serve, that should help. I may have to keep these upstairs in my freezer in my bedroom because they do not know how to control the ice cream. I also got them the little Oreo yogurt because they really love Oreos, all 3 of them. But I want them to eat stuff that's a little bit more healthier. So instead of getting Oreos, I got them just like some small size Oreo ice cream, and then also some Oreo yogurt. This is my favorite. These are for me, the Chobani Flips Key Lime Crumble. Oh my goodness, I love these so much. If you have not tried them, you should try them. I also got the kids some sandwich pepperoni because they really enjoy eating this like with sandwiches, or sometimes just eating it by itself. So we got the sandwich pepperoni. I got 4 packs of noodles. I really don't like ramen. I don't eat ramen at all myself, but my children do like it. I don't really like them eating it, but I did get 4 packs because they're going to be home from distance learning, and I may not feel like cooking, and they may want something to eat really quickly or whatever, so I thought about that. We got elbow macaroni for the macaroni and cheese for Christmas dinner. We also got some taco shells because my kids love to do Taco Tuesdays. We do Taco Tuesdays every Tuesday, and I'll show you guys that with my, oh my god, I lost my train of thought. Oh, when I do my meal plan, I'll show you guys how, I budget in what we're going to eat and everything. So we got these Hungry Jack complete Belgian waffles. I've never tried this before, but they were on sale, and I know Mackenzie's been saying she's been liking waffles an awful lot lately. Here's some stuff that I didn't get that Mackenzie took out the bag. Some applesauce for the kids to eat with. Some applesauce with, lunch or breakfast or whatever. So I got those. I got some Welch's grape jam. I prefer jam over jelly. I also got some of these bread rolls. They like to make sandwiches, I noticed, out of rolls and stuff like that, more so than bread. So instead of getting a loaf of bread, I got these rolls. I also got these Vlasic pickles that are really good with like sandwiches and lunch and everything like that. We love Hidden Valley Ranch salad dressing. We also love this Italian salad dressing. We got bacon for breakfast. So bacon is so expensive. This was like $13 and this was $7. So hopefully this is enough to get us through the week. Mackenzie really likes to eat bacon for breakfast. We also got some of these Mission soft tacos for Taco Tuesday. Fridays we do pizzas because I don't feel like cooking anything, so we got a Digiorno stuffed pizza for Friday, and that pretty much looks like it's about it. Hand me those plates, Mackenzie, so I can show them I got that. That's not part. Oh, here's the rest of the Kool-Aid right here. And so I got this huge thing of paper plates. I just factored this into the grocery budget because these come in so handy, because once you cook and clean and everything like that, it just cuts back on how many dishes you use. And we don't use our dishwasher. We wash all of our dishes. So yeah, but I hope you guys like this grocery haul. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want me to do more videos like this. If I was to do more videos like this, I would definitely be more organized as far as telling you how much each item costs and everything like that. But because I'm in a rush, I have a meeting today and I have to go run and go pick something up. So I have a lot of things to do. Virtual learning started back for the kids. So, okay guys, I'm back to just cut in really quickly and show you. This is the dry erase board that I use to plan out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then this is the weekend. And this is what I write my meal plan on so that the children can visually see, and I can also visually see what it is that we're going to eat for the week. And I plan everything in my planner, so I already have it planned out, what the meals were. That's how I created the grocery list. And so this is the week of the 26th. Wait a minute. Where is the meal plan? Oh, here it is right here. The week of the 9th. I was about to say. Okay, so I'm going to transfer this onto here, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how it usually looks. Okay, so this is how the board usually looks. This is a slightly closer look at, actually what we're eating. This is Christmas dinner. I always write some positive affirmations or something positive in this box. This box I use so the kids, that glare is killing me. This box I use so that the kids can remember what they need to do or things that I don't want them to forget. So yeah, I didn't put anything for Sunday because Sunday I usually go shopping, so we usually just eat whatever we can. But yeah, this is how it looks. Sorry about the glare thing. So, but I wanted to put this video out for you guys. I want to stay consistent. So if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see other videos like this, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know, do you buy some of these things? Do you like some of these things? Have you tried some of these items? And until the next time, queens and kings, stay safe.